So the left join contains all the rows from the left table, that's including the intersecting rows. The number of rows should be the same as that of the left table after the left join. The output of one-to-many merge with the left join will have a greater than or equal rows than that of the left table. So here we have imported the Pandas package. Um, we have imported the CSV files. Now let's check first what's there in our imported files. So as you can see in data frame 1, we have same kind of data. In the second one, we have model year as well. So I've made example on the same kind of data in the previous videos as well, so you can relate and see the differences. So for the left join, we are going to specify here another argument, that's how, and we are going to specify it as left. For the inner join, we have specified how equal to inner, or we can leave it and the default is inner join. So here we have specifically specified left, and these are resultant rows. So now let's check the original number of columns and rows in our original data frames and what we have got after the left join in the resultant data set. So let's check for the data frame 1. As you can see, we have 50 rows and 3 columns. For the data frame 2, it's 46 rows and 2 columns. And after performing left join, which has to be, so it's one too many. So we have 50 rows, which is equal to what we have in data frame 1, and 4 columns.